Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you on how to add payment method on crypto.com. So first, let's open our crypto.com app, and then as usual, we need to enter our passcode first. So wait for it. And then in if we're going to add some payment method in our crypto.com app, first let's click this trade button in the lower part of your screen and then choose buy. And for example, we're going to buy some coins. For example, this STP. Just click that. And then in here, we can see this add payment method. So just click that. And then you can see this credit, debit card, and the USD wallet. And after that, you can add your payment method if you're desired. That's all.